When we move, we're going to go east down this road. Yeah.
Shall we? How long do you think we got?
What?
How long do you think we got before we need to move?
We got a couple minutes. Probably not much more than that. Kind of coming down this road at us. Horizontal tubes lifting up ahead of it.
I'm not liking this.
Debris raining all down out.
Yeah, and it's widening out, isn't it? So it's going to hit this area, I think.
Yeah. Shelter. I don't see it turning right this road.
Well, you've got the left-hand side is almost to this road, isn't it?
What's that?
The left-hand side is almost to this road, almost due east of us.
The left side of it's now almost up to the road.
That's a good sign.
Just wobble a little bit. Look at the rising motion on the left side of it.
I wish I had a zoom lens on this thing.
What's that?
I might swap my lenses over. Well, we lost in the rain, haven't we?
Somebody signals me. Let's go.
We go. Let's go down. Oh wow. Sweet. Get your camera ready. Look at those rain curtains.
We need to be moving.
Be quiet, listen to that. We're safe where we are. It's whether they want to stay ahead of it or not. That's EF5 all over it, written all over it. You need to get further south as well. Buys you out if you have to. Look, he's right above. If necessary. Still north of us, I can see the left edge, but we're going to get some real strong winds from this thing. All the police bailing out of the way. Traffic backed all the way up. Just go alongside these guys if you have to. Just come alongside. debris falling down.
Where's it at?
It's right in there in the rain. See the rain sort of wrapping around.
I see the. Do I see?
It's that big
sparks?
black mass. That's
Yeah.
where the tornado is. About half a mile wide. It was tearing all sorts. All this is all bits of building falling down here.
I kind of.
Yeah, more power flashes here.